Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzel World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this tactical flashlight made by Vastfire. Now you can find this product here on Amazon. Links will be down below this video if you want to go pick it up. By the way, it is $40 on Amazon. So let's go in and open it up here. I'll just show you guys around the package first. There is the label, and really that's it. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what we have inside. I'm just going to get my knife here. Cut the package. Looks like we have a little case, maybe. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get it out here. All right, there it is. Let's go in and open that up. It looks like it also has one here on the sides. And here it is, all in a bunch of wrapping here. Looks like it comes with batteries, so that's pretty nice. Vastfire right there, as you can see. Looks like here's a charger. Right there. Some more mounting brackets. And then also the actual flashlight right here. Looks pretty nice. Button right up here at the top. You can see it is, of course, an LED. So there it is. I guess what I'm going to go ahead and do now is give these batteries a charge if they need them, and go ahead and try it out. All right, for charging the batteries, it's very simple. Here, you plug in your USB, and then you get one of the two batteries right here, and you just simply put it in like this. You got to get the contact points on there. There we are. And then you have a little charge indicator right there. Plug it in. And well, you'll go and see what battery level your battery is at, and it will charge it right up. There it is, of course, very simple. All right, so after you have the battery charged up, what you'll go in and do is grab the flashlight here. Now, I actually already put a battery in this, but I'll show you guys how to put one in. You can screw the top here, which, by the way, has a little O-ring on here, so that's pretty nice. Keep some water and dust out. And here, you'll get one of your two batteries right here. Put it in just like that. And then you'll put the cover on right here. Make sure to get it tight, like this O-ring seal. There we go. And there you go. And it is very, very bright. Pretty cool. So there it is. Pretty basic. Here's your button right here to turn it off and on. All right, so here we have our AR-15. No magazine is in it, so it's safe. Safety is also on. If we flip it around here, have these little slots right here. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is grab this mount right here. See that little bar right here? We're gonna slip that into the slot right here, probably between T8 and T10, so T9 right there. We're gonna go ahead and put that on. All right, so let's go ahead and put the mount on. What you're gonna go ahead and do, get that little notch right there, and we're gonna flip this lever here. There we go. And you can see that is not going anywhere. You do have a screw adjustment. It's on the other side. Right there, a little Allen bolt to go ahead and adjust it if you need to. So there we go. We're gonna go ahead and take these off here, put the flashlight in there. All right, so you can't see it, but we have the gun over here. Go in and turn the flashlight on. You can see a lot more in person than you can on camera. It's just how the camera picks it up. Go ahead and shine it over here to the left, out there in the yard. Goes pretty far. Again, you can see a lot more in person. All right, so we also have this. It's basically a remote turn-on switch. This end here, you just screw on here, and screw this end on. It's got this extendable wire right there, and then the switch right in here, and you can mount this on your gun wherever. We don't really have a good place to mount this, so that's why we just didn't use it. It does also come with some Velcro right here for you to mount it onto your gun. So there you go. Pretty cool that it's included. All right, so there it was, an unboxing and review on this gun flashlight. Overall, it seems to be actually pretty solid. I like the fact that it, number one, comes with 2 separate batteries and they're rechargeable, which is really nice. The thing is very well built, feels very, very solid. Doubt it's gonna break very easily. This little thing here, it's actually pretty handy. Although we're not gonna use it, it definitely would come in use in some circumstances. So it's nice that it is included. In terms of how good the actual light is, it's very good. By far the brightest flashlight that I have, and I have some pretty good LED flashlights, but this one's definitely the brightest. To be fair, it is the most expensive one too, but you can see a super far distance. You can see, I'm sure if I walked all the way from one edge of our backyard, I could probably see to the other edge pretty good. And we have a big backyard. This thing's pretty bright. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed by it. So overall, it seems to be a pretty good gun flashlight, or even just a normal flashlight. It does seem to be pretty good. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.